Hello my friends, I'm Sean. This is a Fix My Home channel. Today I want to show you how you can install the wallpaper on your wall. So as you see, I want to put the wallpaper in this wall. So for a start, I took off the electrical light. So everything is ready. So I measure from this corner to that corner and add 2 inch to the cut. I'm gonna cut the wallpaper and show you next. The wall, it was 59, and so I get 2 more inch. I give it 2 more inch. I'm gonna cut in 61 here. So I'll mark it in 61. I'll put my logo. I'll see if it's level. I'll make the cut with the utility knife. As you see, this wallpaper has a stick and peel, so you don't need to put the glue actually on the wallpaper, but make sure there's enough glue on the wall. So I use the wallpaper board adhesive. So I'm gonna put this a little on the wall, and after that put the wallpaper, so to make sure it's not coming off. As you see, we get some of this with the brush. We put in the 4 corner because that's the most place is coming off. So I put some here, some in the middle. And some not there. So as you see, I just took it off. Okay, I installed the first roll. As you see, I have almost 1 inch in that side, 1 inch in the above, and 1 inch in the other side. So the tools you use is this. When you put it, the wallpaper, you just go like that, and it's gonna take all the bubble. And I cut it around on the light, so when I put the light back, it's gonna cover those areas. So I'm gonna put the next roll and keep going. Another tools, if you want to use it to make sure for the edge, you can use the big spatula just to go like that for the edge. Make sure you don't have any bubbles. There you go, it's almost done. So as you see, sink is gonna be here and the toilet is gonna be there. So now I'm going to show you how you can cut the edge. So you have a nice cut of wallpaper, so everything is gonna be nice. To cut the edge, so you get your spatula, you put all the way against the wall and use your cutter. So you keep doing this all the way to the bottom. And also here in the top. As you see, you just have to pull it. Make sure you hold it with this and pull. You see, we have a nice cut on the edge all the way to the bottom. So we're gonna keep doing that all the way around and also in the bottom. Anyway, thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix a problem around your home. Have a great day.